Hello children, today we are going to begin with lesson number 9, that is fraction. What is fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Let us study with the figure. See, a circle is there, out of that two parts are there. One is shaded, so we are going to write it as 1 by 2. In the second circle, 4 parts are there and one is shaded, so we write 1 by 4. Third, in a circle, 8 parts are there. Out of that, 3 are shaded. And then next circle, 3 parts and 2 are shaded. So we write 2 by 3. The next circle is having 5 parts with 2 parts shaded. We call it as 2 by 3. How will you write? So numerator, the above number, and denominator, the below number. The line drawn in between, we call it as fraction bar. Activity 1. Do you remember? This is of third. Write the following fraction in numbers. It's given in words and you write in figure. 2/5, 2 by 5. 1/6, 1 by 6. 3/8, 3 by 8. 5/12, 5 by 12. 4/7, 4 by 7. 1/4 is 1 by 4. Complete the table. See, first column fraction, the next one numerator, the other one is denominator. 3 by 5, how will you write? 3 as numerator and 5 as denominator. B, they have given numerator, the next one denominator. So you write down in fraction. Numerator will be above, so 2 by 7. C, 18 by 23 it is. So 18 will be numerator and 23 will be denominator. Shade the figure to show the given fraction. What is given? Fraction is given and that you have to shade in the given figure. How many parts are there? 16 total. And how many you need to shade? That is 7. So 7 you shade it up. The next one, circle is there with 8 parts. Out of that you have to shade 3 parts. So shade 3 parts. Question number 4. Write the fraction for the shaded parts. So how many parts are there? 6. Out of that 3 are shaded. So we write 3 by 6. Total 10 parts are there and out of that 7 are shaded. So we write 7 by 10. Use comparison symbols. 3 by 7 dash 3 by 7. Both are equal. Numerator same, denominator same. So we write equal. 6 by 11 dash 8 by 11. Denominators are same and numerator are different. So which is the bigger one? 8. Draw the arrow. 7 by 8 dash 5 by 8. Denominators are same. Numerator are different. See, which is the bigger? 7. So draw the greater symbol. Write in ascending order. Small to big. Question is given till here and answer is written. So 2 by 3 is the smaller. 3 by 7, 5 by 17 and 6 by 17. B, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 6 by 7 and 1 by 7. Answer is 1 by 7, 3 by 7 and 4 and 6. Arrange in descending order, that is big to small. See, all the numerators are same and denominators are different. So the first one, bigger one is 7 by 9. That is 9 with a greater part. So 9 is the smallest but it is bigger. Why? Numerators are same. Then comes 11, 13 and 15. 2 by 11, 7 by 11, 3 by 11, 4 by 11. So the denominators are same. Now numerators you see arrange. Bigger one is 7, 4, 3 and 2. Find 1 by 2 of 48. 1 by 2 into 48 by 1. If you divide, you will get 24. Then 1 by 3 into 99 by 1, you will get 33. 1 by 2 into 60 by 1, if you do, it will be 30. 1 by 3 into 72, if you divide, it will be 24. Activity 2. Write the fraction for the shaded portion. Write yes or no if the fractions are equivalent or not. The first one has been done for you. See, a circle is there. Out of that, how many parts? 4. So denominator 4 and 1 shaded. So next circle with the 8 parts and 3 are shaded. Are they equal 1 by 4 and 3 by 8? No. So the answer is no. B. A rectangle is there. Out of that, 4 parts are there. So we write 1 by 4. See the next rectangle. It is having 8 parts but 2 are shaded. Reduce into the simplest form. It will be 1 by 4 and 1 by 4. So it is yes. The next one, C. The shape is given and which shape? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hexagon is given. So how will you write? 6 denominator and 2 numerator. Why it is? 2 are shaded. If you reduce to the lowest, it becomes 1 by 3 and then next hexagon is with the 12 parts. And how many are shaded? 4. If you reduce, it will be 1 by 3. So both are equal. So it is yes. Similarly, see the D. Total 12 parts are there. Out of that, 1 is shaded. And then 1 is shaded and 6 parts are there. So there is no similarity. It is no. Fill in the boxes with to write equivalent fraction. 3 by 10 is equals to 3 by 10 into 2 by 2. See, we are writing same numerator and same denominator here with the equivalent fraction. So 3 by 10. 3 2s it will be 6. So 10 2s are how much? It will be 20. B. 36 by 40. So what they have given? Now division. 4, how many are 36? 4 9s are 4. How many are 40? 4 10s are 40. 25 by 30 is equals to 25 by 30. Divided. So only numerator is given. So this is there means how many is a 25? It is under 5. What they said? Equivalent fraction. So 5 if numerator is there, the denominator also will be 5. So place 5 here. In 5 when do we get 30? That is 6. So the answer will be 6. D. 6 by 7 is equals to 6 by 7 into and is equals to, and below they have given denominator. Only one answer is given. With the help of it you have to find the others. So 49 is there. That means in table 7, when do you get 49? 7 7s are. So place 7. If denominator is 7, the numerator will be 7. 6 7s are 42 will be the answer. Activity 2's third question. Write the first 4 equivalent fraction of the following. 3 by 5 is given. First 4 means from 1 till 4. 3 ones are we have written. Then 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Then comma 3 by 5 into 3 by 3 equivalent it is. So first 4. 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. Then 3 by 5 into 4 by 4 it will be 12 by 20. 3 by 5 into 5 by 5 it becomes 15 by 20. So which are the equivalent fractions? One I have done extra. 3 by 5. First one is 6 by 10. Then second one 9 by 15. The next one is 12 by 20 and the next one is 15 by 25. Similarly 2 by 7 is there. So first one as it is, it comes 2 by 7. The next one will be 4 by 7, 14. Then 6 by 21, 8 by 28 and 10 by 25. See, we keep both the numerator and denominator same to find equivalent fractions. 5 by 6 is the question. So the second one will be 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. And then 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24 and 6 5s are 30. This way also you can write. Question number E. 4 by 11. Write equivalent fractions. 4 by 11 is equals to 8 by 22. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. 11. 11, 22, 33, 44 and 55. Similarly, do the F, G, then come circle the fraction which are not equal. What is the given question? 21 by 49, 9 by 12, 3 by 7, 12 by 21. See, multiply and write. 21 by 49, first one is equals to 3 by 7 is the given question. Smallest one, 3 by 7 into and into you keep, so that it will be 7 3s are 21, 7 7s are 49. The next question is 9 by 21. The smallest one, 3 by 7 given. So in table 3, when do you get 9? 3 3s are. So place 3. In table 7, when do you get 21? 3s are. So it is also equivalent. The next one is 1s are. Keep as it is. Then 12 by 21. Take the smallest one, that is 3 by 7. So in table 3, when do you get 12? That is by division. 3 4s are, and then 7 3s are 21. So see, we get different numerator and denominator, whereas in the earlier questions 3 by 3, 7 by 7, that is equivalent fractions, whereas 4 by 3 they are different. So 12 by 21 is not equivalent to others. B, 15 by 27, 5 by 9, 45 by 72, 10 and 18. So take first question, 15 by 27, the smallest one, 5 by 9. Divide and see. 5, how many are 15? That is 3s are. And then 9, how many are? 9 3s are it is. Go for the next one. 5 by 9 and 5 by 9, it will be during 1s. So write 1 and 2, 1 and 1. The next question is 45 by 52. So 5, how many is 45? 5 9s are, and 9, how many is 9 8s are 72. We got here 9 and 8, both are different. The next one is 10 by 18 is equals to 5 by 9, the smallest one, into 5, how many is 10? 5 2s are, and 9 2s are 18. This is also equivalent, whereas the different one is 45 by 72. So 45 by 72 is not equivalent to others. Similarly, do for the C. In that 18 by 20 is not equivalent to others. See, in the 18 by 22, numerator 3 and denominator 4, whereas in this 3 by 4 we have 1 by 1. Then 9 by 12, in that also same numerator and denominator, whereas in 15 by 22 again same numerator and denominator. Find an equivalent fraction of 3 by 7. See, numerator they have given question 15. So place the fraction 3 by 7 into dash is equals to, place the numerator. They have given final answer 15 as numerator. What will be the denominator? The question is 7. 7, how many is 35? 7 5s are. If 5 is denominator, the numerator also will be 5. So it becomes 15. Question number B. Denominator as 42. What was the fraction? 3 by 7. We need to find this fraction. So is equals to denominator, place only first 42 it becomes. So 7, how many is 42? 7 6 are. So write 6 denominator as well as numerator 6. So 3 6 are 18. Similarly, numerator 27. What is the fraction? 3 by 7. And how much you have the numerator? Numerator as 27. Below also you have to keep blank. You need to find 7 3, how many is 27? 3 9s are. If numerator is 9, denominator also must be 9. 7 9s are 63. The answer we are going to get is 63. Then denominator. is 77 given, and even the fraction 3 by 7 is given. Into how much if you keep, so that you get 77 as denominator. 7, how many is a 77? 7, 11s are place 11. 3 into, how many is a 33? 3 11s are 33. The next question is, check whether the following fractions are equivalent using cross multiplication method. 3 by 8 and 16 by 22 is the given fraction. So, put the cross mark. 3 into 24, 8 into 16. They said cross multiplication. So, 3 into 24 it will be 72. 8 into 16 it will be 128. Are they same? No. 72 and 128. So, these are not equivalent fractions. B. 2 by 5 and 10 by 25. Again do the cross multiplication. 2 with 25. 2 into 25 it is 50. 5 tens are 50. So both the answers are same. So that fractions is equivalent. Do similar type of C. See, in this also both we are going to get 294 and 294. That is equivalent.